Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enter Arabic numeric numbers in Microsoft PowerPoint, the updated 2025 way. Whether you're working on a multilingual project designing slides for international audiences, or you just want to add a unique touch to your presentation, this quick guide will walk you through everything step by step. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you have Microsoft PowerPoint open on your computer. If you already have your presentation ready, that's great. You can apply these settings instantly. Now, to enable Arabic numerals, we'll be making a small change in your Windows settings. Start by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard, then type region settings in the search bar and hit enter. Once you're in the region settings window, look for and click on additional date, time, and regional settings. This opens up a more advanced panel where we can adjust how your computer displays and processes numbers. Next, click on change date, time, or number formats. A dialog box will appear. Here's where the real customization begins. In this window, make sure you're on the Formats tab, then click the Additional Settings Retweets button. A new pop-up will open with several tabs, and this is where you'll find the option we need. Scroll to the bottom of this new window until you find a drop-down labeled Use Native Digits. By default, it's usually set to Never. Click the drop-down and change it to Context. Here's why this matters. Choosing context tells your system to automatically display numbers in Arabic numeric form when the context, like the language or text direction, calls for it. Once you've made that change, click Apply, then OK to confirm. You can now close the settings windows and return to PowerPoint. And that's it. Your computer is now configured to enter and display Arabic numeric numbers not only in PowerPoint but across all compatible Microsoft applications. It's a small tweak that can make a big difference, especially if you work with diverse audiences or bilingual presentations. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and drop a comment below if you ran into any issues. I'd love to help. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, happy presenting